What up, world? It's your boy, CT Hill. Thanks for tuning in to Unbeatable TV. Do me a favor, man. Go ahead and hit that like button for your boy, Bobby Shmurda. Welcome home. After you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. You heard me? Appreciate that. Now, let me get right into it. Your boy, Bobby Shmurda, is back, y'all. Free after 6 years of being locked up in federal penitentiary. Yes, sir, he is back. The King of New York, the real King of New York, is back, people. Yes, sir. Welcome home, Bobby Shmurda. Yeah, and it was said to be, as you see, your boy Quavo went to go pick up Bobby Shmurda in a private jet. That's right. Private jet, people. That's some real nigga shit right there. That's real love right there. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Quavo, man. And about a week and a half ago, his right-hand man, Rowdy Rebel, who was also incarcerated, did a 6-year bid in the feds with him, was also freed about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. Yes, sir. So now all the fans just can't wait for these guys to get back to the music, because Bobby Shmurda was the hottest rapper in the game before he got caught up in all that GS9. That GS9 Rico shit. You know? Just hoping he get back to it. We don't need no more 6ix9ines, man. We need more Bobby Shmurdas. We don't even need no more Bobby Shmurdas, but you get what I'm trying to say. It's the real King of New York, Bobby Shmurda. You heard me? And by the way, I'm not from New Orleans. I'm not from Louisiana. I just like saying, you heard me? I just like saying that shit. That shit play as fuck. Shout out to my New Orleans niggas. Well, anyway, man, before I get up out of here, go ahead and hit that like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. And go ahead and leave a comment. I need that energy, y'all. Welcome home, Bobby Shmurda. And once again, I appreciate everybody who hit up in Cashapp, man. Straight up. I appreciate that. That's gonna make the show better. Appreciate y'all for helping me grow the show. Anyway, man, I'm out. Peace.